Let's see how to change text format as the destination while pasting in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to copy something from the internet. And whenever we try to copy it, we want to preserve just how it looks like or exactly as much like the source. So let's go ahead and copy something off of this one right here. Let's go ahead and copy this entire first paragraph. Now you'll notice that there are a lot of blue words that are hyperlinked to other pages. Now that we've copied that, let's go ahead and simply paste that into our Word document. Now to paste exactly just like the source format, simply click on this drop down list on paste right here, and you will have three different options. You can either keep the source formatting, or you can have the merge formatting, which is basically a combination of Microsoft Word's format and the source, or you can keep it as the text only. Now let's go ahead and select the first one since we want to make it exactly like the source or the destination. And as you can see, these words that are in different colors are also linked to those pages that I mentioned. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.